Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottage interior decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage interior decor is a cozy, charming and nostalgic decorating style that blends vintage features with cottage-inspired comfort. It is like stepping into a storybook home, soft, romantic, time-worn, and filled with character. Elements of vintage cottage interior decor. Time-worn beauty uses gently aged or distressed furniture, often painted in chalky whites or pastels. Embrace imperfections, chipped paint, faded fabrics, and own ode add soul and history. Use cozy, soft textures, natural fibers like linen, cotton, lace, and crochet, quilts, ruffled curtains, slip-covered chairs, and embroidered cushions. Also use handmade details such as knitted throws or patchwork items are common. Use pastel and muted color palette, creams, white, soft blues, dusty rose, shush green, and battery yellows. These calming tones enhance the gentle, homey mood. Use floral and botanical touches. Vintage floral patterns on curtains, wallpaper, or upholstery. Fresh or dried flowers in old pictures, jars, or enamel art. Antiques and flower market finds, mismatched chairs, time-worn cabinets, or rich kitchenware, iron weights, windows clocks, oil paintings, old books, and enamel signs. Use natural materials like exposed wood beams, own wood floors, wicker baskets, and stone fireplaces. Accessories made from rattan, cane, or aged metal. Use layered and lived-in look. Layering rugs, textiles, and furniture gives it that relaxed, welcoming charm. It is more about storytelling than perfection. Sentimental and personal decor often includes heirlooms, framed family photos, or handmade crafts. Objects have meaning. It is not just about looks, but the feeling they evoke. Emotional atmosphere, nostalgic, evokes memories of grandma's house, quiet countryside mornings, or simpler times. Romantic, use soft lighting, dreamy fabrics, and floral details create a romantic mood. Common rooms in this style: kitchen uses open shelving, vintage crockery, apron sink, and farmhouse tables. Living room overstuffed sofas, lace towels, antique coffee tables, and floral cushions. Bedroom use wooden bed frames, faded quilts, distressed dressers, and lace curtains. Bathrooms use clapboard tops, baseboard walls, floral wallpaper, and window mirrors. Mix it with Shabby. If you love more feminine, romantic accents. Farmhouse for a more rustic and grounded feel. Cottagecore if you want a more whimsical, nature-inspired vibe. Here is more in-depth information about vintage cottage interior decor, including its origins, emotional symbolism, design philosophy, and how it connects to lifestyle and memory. heart of vintage cottage style, vintage cottage interior decor is more than just a design trend. It is a way of life that embraces the charm of the past, the comfort of the familiar, and the soulfulness of home. It celebrates imperfection, authenticity, and the idea that beauty can be found in things that are well loved. Origins and influence. English country cottages. The style draws inspiration from the rustic cottages of the English countryside. Modest homes with stone walls, exposed beams, and handmade furnishings. American farmhouses. It also borrows elements from early 20th century rural American homes where practicality meets softness. Post-war nostalgia. It reflects our desire to return to simple, meaningful living, a kind of aesthetic comfort food. Color and mood in depth. Vintage cottage decor uses light, feathered, and time-softened tones. Here is how these colors emotionally support the space. Cream and white, clean, calm, and reflective, symbolize peace and purity. Pastels use soft pinks, baby blues, mint greens evoke innocence, romance, and serenity. Muted earth tones, shades, clay, faded terracotta bring the outside in, grounding the space in nature. Textiles and fabrics. Fabrics in vintage cottage decor are touchable and breathable, often handmade or naturally faded. Lace and hilliard adds a touch of romance and femininity. Cotton and linen, natural, soft, and relaxed, perfect for curtains, slip covers, and tablecloth. Patchwork files symbolize family, tradition, and cozy warmth. Furniture character. Furniture pieces are often reclaimed and repurposed. An old dresser turned into vanity, painted in soft tones and distressed to show old underneath. Mismatched but coordinated, every item tells its own story. Chairs don't need to match. Cabinets might have original glass handles or open shelves. Imperfection adds personality and charm. Natural role. Nature play a big part in the vintage cottage mood. Fresh or dried flowers in vases, messengers, or enamel pictures. Botanical prints, bird imagery, and natural motifs on fabrics or wall art. Wicker baskets, stone pots, and aged wood ornaments connect the interior to the land. Vintage accents and decor details, mirrors with patina frames, porcelain or enamelware, iron bed frames or wooden spindle beds. Use old books, framed needlework, vintage clocks, and fried sharks. Used inside typewriters and gramophones add nostalgic flavor. These are not just for show, they hold stories. Even if you bought them from a flower market, they feel lived in and real. Lighting and atmosphere. Lighting is soft, warm, and gentle. Table lamps with floral shades. Use candlelight or lanterns. Also use old iron or ceramic fixtures. The goal is to create a glow, not color. A gentle light that softens the edge of the day. The emotional soul of vintage cottage decor. This style is rooted in emotion, comfort. Everything is soft, relaxed, and inviting. Nostalgia. It echoes childhood memories, grandma's home, or an old storybook. Slowness encourages slower living, handmade habits, and appreciating small details. It is about heart, home, and harmony. Let's go deeper into the world of vintage cottage interior decor, exploring its emotional richness, sensory layers, seasonal beauty, and even the philosophy behind the lifestyle it represents. The soul of vintage cottage interior decor. Vintage cottage decor is not just a decorating style, it's a gentle, poetic way of living. It invites you to slow down, to notice the beauty in small things, and to create a home that feels like a memory you want to keep forever. Emotional and symbolic themes. Vintage cottage decor is filled with emotion and meaning, romance, floral patterns, lace curtains, soft lighting. It is tender, dreamy, and a little nostalgic. Comfort and warmth, owned in furniture and handmade touches, create a deep feeling of safety and familiarity. Memory, heirlooms, vintage photos, and time-worn pictures make the space feel personal, layered, and story-rich. Simplicity, it honors the charm of a life without excess. Fresh flowers in an old teapot or linen tablecloth that is slightly wrinkled from use. Sensory experience of vintage cottage interiors. Every element appeals to the senses, making your home a place to feel that soft throws, presented textures, aged oud, rains, and ruffled pillows. Smell lavender cicadas, fresh bread, dried herbs hanging in the kitchen. Sight, faded florals, chippy paint, handwritten labels, light dancing on lace. Sound of ticking clocks, birdsong throws on open window, pages of an old book turning. Dust, homemade jam or vintage china, tea in a floral cup. Seasonal shifts in vintage cottage style. Vintage cottage decor can reflect the rhythm of the seasons. Spring, daffodils in a tipped enamel jug, floral linens, and light cotton curtains. Summer, open windows with lace panels, baskets of herbs or wildflowers, painted garden tiers. Autumn, open throws, candlelight, copper pots, giant feet in messengers. Winter, quilts stacked on a bench, warm oud tones, firelight, vintage glass ornaments. Your home becomes a living poem that changes with nature. Rooms reimaginated. Vintage cottage in practice. Living room, use sleep-covered sofas, floral cushions, and also use old trunks as coffee tables. Display vintage books, candlesticks, and antique mirrors. Let's kitchen. use open shelving with stuffed floral dishes, enamel teapots, and vintage spice tints. Also use a cozy breakfast nook with a mismatched table and chairs. Next, bedroom. Use iron or brass bed, layered with quilts and lace. Use a own dresser, vintage mirror, and a small floral lampshade. Bathroom. Use cloth-top floral shower curtains, lace trimmed towels, upholstery jars, glass perfume bottles, rustic tools. Philosophy of reuse and renewal. At its heart, vintage cottage decor supports sustainability, reusing old things instead of buying new. Craftsmanship. Handwork like embroidery, woodworking, and sewing. Value of a trend, treasuring the history and quality of well-made items. It is a rejection of mass-product modernism in favor of character, care, and creativity. How to begin creating this style? You don't need to live in a cottage to bring this look to life. Start with thrift stores and flower market finds, real vintage items with charm. Layer with love, make textures, add personal touches, and don't worry about perfection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.